Lego3910 with the review of Plo Koon Starfighter. Comes with a little astromech droid, pretty much really cool. Pretty much the same of Ahsoka Starfighter, pretty cool and stuff, except the difference that Ahsoka Starfighter you can move these, but this is just a piece. And on the bottom, there's no cannon whatsoever. But there is this little button right here. If you watch very closely, if you pay attention, just wait 1 second. You got it. Just stare at Plo Koon. This, oh dang it. Can't get it. Alright, here it is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, pops Plo Koon right out of the seat. Now let's see what's inside the seat. He has buttons, just buttons and stuff. As you can see, what pops him up is that little piece right there in the middle. So when he sits down, it just pops him right up when you press it. And that's the review of Plo Koon Starfighter. Lego3910 out.